So today we're going to take a look at how you can change the resolution on your Xbox. So we just want to be up on our top bar, and we're just going to go to My Games and Apps. We're going to scroll along to the settings cog, click that. Once we're in here, you want to be in General, and you want to come over to TV and Display Options. And then you're going to see a few different things here. You got your resolution. Currently I'm in 1080p because it's just the way the capture card works. But you should be able to see different options there as well. Along with that, we have device control. This allows us to do different things with HDMI CEC, like you can turn your Xbox off with like your TV remote, and you can turn your Xbox on by like powering on the controller. A few different things there that you can do. And one of the other interesting things in this section is the 4K TV details. So we go back, you'll see here about, it basically just tells you about your 4K TV. As I said before, we are currently coming through at 1080p, so we're not going to have any of these options. But as you can see, it says like your TV could do like 4K 60, 4K 120, and a few other things like that. And that may be why your picture might not look as good or some reason like that, but this should tell you all the little details. So that's how you change the resolution on your Xbox. Please like, comment, subscribe guys, and I'll see you next time.